For this, I am directly imitating a print that I saw in the Target dollar spot. It was a $3 print, which isn't bad, but I looked at it and thought I have all of the stuff to make this at home, and that will kind of be more fun. So this is a frame from the Dollar Tree. I've had it forever, but you know, it's $1. And then I just used a piece of scrapbooking paper. I used just stripes, so it was easy to line up the hearts. I already had these heart foam stickers, so I didn't have to purchase anything to make this. And I just arranged them, you know, how I thought they would look kind of pretty on the piece of paper. You can do it however you want. I kind of sort of made a pyramid shape with the hearts. You'll see what I mean at the end, but I just lined them up and counted the lines. That's what I'm doing here. And then I went back and stuck all of the stickers on. And here I am just making a Valentine's mailbox for my daughter for school. Yes, she would normally be helping me, but for the sake of this video, and I don't want her face in it, I just did all the gluing, and she directed me as to where she wanted the pieces of paper. Yep, these are like $3 at Target, but we had this box and it was a little smaller and I just wanted a smaller box. And again, we had all the stuff to make it, so I thought it would be a little more fun to make it and personalize it this way. And she really enjoyed picking out the papers and, you know, directing me as to where she wanted everything. So that's what I did here. And just, this paper is adhesive. I did glue some of it because, you know, I just wanted to stick more, but it is adhesive paper that we sometimes glued a little extra down.